if statements, my favorite. We also have if-elses and if-elses, all that good stuff. Let's take a look. Here's the slides. You remember if statements in Carol. Here we go. Carol is written in Java, but it's not really important to debate the slides here. Let's keep going. If, another Boolean expression, execute the code only if it's true. If we want something else to happen, we have this. Then we have else ifs. You can do another else if, but there's other ways to do that. We'll get to those eventually. Here's a basic if statement. If number, we have a read int from the user. If it's less than 0, print out that it's a negative number. Again, enter a number, modulo 2 to see if it's equal to 0 to check if it's divisible, print out whether it's even or odd. That's a lot of slides. Take a look at one example. This is the one from the video /slides. So is this. You could play around with this, change it to check and see if it's divisible by something else. Maybe you write a big ol' if-else statement to check if it's divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth. Let's look at find the minimum. What's our assignment? We're going to have the user ask for 3 integers, then print out the minimum value. So we might as well copy and paste their enter first, second, third numbers into our code. We'll actually make the variables first, int first. I'm going to be very lazy and just call it first, second, third as FST. And we're going to copy and paste that. Alright, there's our variables. Now we want to compare them with an if statement. Now we want to print out the largest. So we're going to do double booleans. If f is we want the minimum, right? If f is less than s and f is less than t, print out f. Very cool. Okay, so we should probably do an else if, because that's what we wanted from the lesson. If s is less than f and s is less than t, we'll print out the second one. And if the first one isn't the least and the second isn't the least, we don't really need to check a boolean, do we? We know it's the third one. I should probably change it to the right variables. So, first, second, third, we print them out if f is the least, s is the least, or we'll just print out the third. Maybe there's an edge case, but I doubt it at this lesson, but we can try it. If f is equal to s and f is equal to t, let's check our code. Oh, I didn't close it, did I? Okay, so one here kept going, so it says at the very end we have an error. So we'll just throw that on, and there's no like end of parse. Doesn't not find the end of this this statement here. Let's check our edge case. Whoa. Oh, we also do this. I guess we could have made this an else if to stop that. Now we don't print that. Okay, let's try something else. 3, 4, 5. 3 is the least. 10, 6, 14, 5, 6 at least. I think we get the point. 10, 5, 1. It's going to tell us this is wrong because we have this. But, see? It wants us to put out that the least number. Actually, if we get rid of this, if technically it'll print out the right thing. But I think it doesn't even want us to check that it's that they're equal. Yep, see? So pop off our edge case checker. And that's our final answer.